Welcome to our DevOps tutorial for beginners. We'll cover the core concepts and essential tools that are revolutionizing software development. DevOps is a cultural, engineering, and practice shift that aims to unify software development and IT operations. At its core, DevOps merges development and operations to shorten the system development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery. DevOps is essential for faster time to market, improved collaboration, and delivering more reliable, high-quality software. Let's look at the foundational principles that guide a successful DevOps practice. Continuous integration, or CI, involves merging all developers' working copies to a shared mainline several times a day, accompanied by automated builds and testing. Continuous delivery ensures that code changes are automatically built, tested, and prepared for release to production. Continuous deployment takes this a step further by automatically deploying every change that passes the automated tests. Automation minimizes manual intervention across the pipeline. Infrastructure as code, or IAC, manages and provisions infrastructure through code, ensuring consistency and repeatability. DevOps promotes strong collaboration between teams. Comprehensive monitoring provides immediate feedback on system performance and user experience. To achieve these principles, DevOps teams rely on a variety of specialized tools. Git is the industry standard for version control, allowing teams to track and manage code changes effectively. Docker uses containers to package an application with all its dependencies, ensuring it runs reliably across different computing environments. Kubernetes, or K8s, automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Tools like Jenkins are automation servers that help orchestrate the CI/CD pipeline, automating the build, test, and deployment processes. Cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud provide the scalable infrastructure and managed services necessary to run modern DevOps pipelines. Let's walk through a simple example of a basic DevOps workflow. It starts when a developer commits code to the version control system, which automatically triggers the continuous integration process. The CI pipeline automatically runs tests. If successful, the CD process deploys the application to a staging environment for final checks. To continue your DevOps journey, start experimenting with the tools we've mentioned, explore online courses, and join the DevOps community. Adopting DevOps practices will dramatically improve your team's efficiency, release cadence, and overall software quality. Thank you for watching.